this is where I'm now, this is my present, this is my future, and this is how am I going to do. And right now, I've just finished my postgraduate degree and I'm looking for a job. And the other thing is I want my own property, and I want and earn some money. And if there is money, we can have fun. If not, no fun. And the main thing is I want to improve my confidence, and because I feel I lack this, and this is where I want to be. I want to get a good job and want to be confident. And this is a cat, and it's looking at the mirror and she thinks she's a lioness, and I want to be like that. And the other thing is I want to have a beautiful house and have some fun. And this is how am I going to do to rigorously search for a job, and to attend some trainings like this, and to start savings, and to communicate a lot, to be a confident.
That's it. That's it. And how confident do you believe you're going to achieve your dreams, Hannah?
I'm confident now, and I think and I believe it would keep improving. I'm confident after this course, and I know I would improve more.
I like the cat looking in the mirror and seeing a lioness. I think that's really good.
Oh.
I like that.
Yeah, that's a real symbol.
Yeah.
The lioness in the future.